AM North was initially established February this year, and already in June, July we started producing the first set parts for our client.
My name is Jan-Inge. I work at AM North as the CEO. Without StartProto, we would basically use Excel to streamline our production.
Talking to some of the other owners and CEOs of the 3D print bureaus in Norway, I can sense that they don't even have a production planning system in place.
To have control on all the orders, to have control of all the RFQs. And it tends to be really messy after like 10, 20, hundreds.
So we use a lot of time and effort to quote many of the requests we receive. I think by utilizing your system, we can certainly be more effective. The possibility to track every single process in order to make a product is very vital for a business. Less time on paperwork doing quotations, more time doing value creation. So once we have every single bits and pieces in place when it comes to quality management, then it's so much easier to get people on board. If you're good and fast, I think that will benefit you in the end. We're very grateful that you're able to come over, try to understand our business and implement that in your system. It's help us out during the way and also explain us all the benefits that we can achieve through a system.
Yeah, and it's been fun to have you guys around. You brought a lot of, not only the software, but with the hardware as well. Your experience is greatly appreciated.
And I think by working closer together, where you better understand what we need over time, will benefit both of us.
I have no background in IT or software, but I have used quite a few of them, and I really like StartProto.